Vice-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. And I invite the Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Professor Martin Stegel, to address the congregation. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduands, honoured guests, congregation, it is my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also an opportunity to say thank you to everyone else who has supported you. As graduates of this university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small, specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now to see how their small colleges have grown into a major international university. A university that adds to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied the arts or business, humanities or sciences. Across Britain and many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are engineers, sports professionals, artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, police officers, and nurses. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy skepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent, every one of you has intellect, and every one of you has the commitment and the capacity for hard work. And now you're going to have the qualification to prove it. As I start this ceremony, I'd like you to remember three things: that you deserve to be here today, that your hard work is a credit to you, and that we are all very proud of you. Thank you all, and well done.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru ar y campws hwn ar y 12fed o Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi trwy eu deallusrwydd a'u hymdrech ysgolheigaidd eu bod yn gymwys i gael eu derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau Brifysgol. Drwy anrydeddu eu cyreiddiad, gadewch i'r rheini sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod eu ymrwymiad a dathlu eu llwyddiant. Bydd soddwn ein gobeithio'n a'n disgwyliadau ynddynt, gan obeithio y byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'i disg ger bron eu proffesiwn a'r cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at dyfodol ein cymdeithas gyda anrydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that the congregation of the University of South Wales is held on this campus on the 12th day of July 2019. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated, through their intellect and scholarly effort, that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction. Thank you.
Vice-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates who have been awarded the Master of Science by Research. Nia Ann Howells, in recognition of a programme of work entitled A Realist Evaluation of the Usability of the Welsh Community Care Information System in a South Wales Valley. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr Carolyn Wallace and Dr Gina Dolan, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Joseph Setchfield, in recognition of a programme of work entitled CBI Studies of AME on the Galactic Plane between L26 and 31 degrees. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr Magdalena Todorovic, Dr Stephen Carr, Professor Clive Dickinson and Dr Avon Huxton, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. The Master of Science in Applied Health Economics, Eric Shaw. The Master of Science in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Harry Poulchunt. The Master of Science in Diabetes, Shayaya Ansari. William Ham. The Master of Science in Obesity and Weight Management, Manjit Dol. Pratitya Tobolska. The Master of Science in Public Health, Chidusunimi Olukaodo Olaoi. The Master of Science in Rheumatology, Karen Culfier. The Master of Science in Sports and Exercise Medicine, Stephen Case Upton. David Leslie Frabicius. Katie Mitchell. Sally Osborne. The Postgraduate Diploma in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Mohammed Bhatti. Robin Raphael Cohen. Francis Emmanuel Okonkwo. Safiqua Aina Nazir. Rogaya Sahak. Charles Senesi. Yingzi Tay. Sohail Wahid. Sanya Wajahat. Shakil Ahmad Wala. Ashwag Yusuf Mohammed Yusuf. The Postgraduate Diploma in Diabetes, Intisar Al-Hashemi. Amere Bukhari. Lindsay Hughes. Ajit Kumar Ratna Karan Menon. Win Lei Yin. The Postgraduate Diploma in Endocrinology, Jessica Healy. The Postgraduate Diploma in Gastroenterology, Amna Mohammed Ibrahim El-Haneh. Yasin Mohammed. Maha Noor Sadiqi. The Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Education for Healthcare Professionals, Jifra Bindin. Salma Khan. The Postgraduate Diploma in Obesity and Weight Management, Gabriel Olaya. The Postgraduate Diploma in Preventative Cardiovascular Medicine, Tamkeen Atta Kina. Praola Nicole Naidu. Shah Nazwaz. Matthew Scaife. Jayant Kumar Yadev. The Postgraduate Diploma in Respiratory Medicine, Laureen Dennis Honeywell. The Postgraduate Diploma in Rheumatology, Vineet Agnihotri. Bhagya Lakshamana Murthy. Mohan Sethi. Kuram Yasir. The Postgraduate Diploma in Sexual and Reproductive Medicine, Zakwan Crate. Saif Ur Rehman. The Postgraduate Diploma in Sports and Exercise Medicine, Vijay Bhaskar. Edward Rethanasamy. Janani Siadas. Dirk Schmidt. The Postgraduate Certificate in Acute and Critical Care, Sean Williams. The Integrated Master of Nursing Studies, Anthony Christie Shirley Bertil Fernando.
Fe newn ni nawr glywed dataganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers graduated this year with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw mai Elw Quartet. A byddant yn chwarae, they will be playing Isn't She Lovely, The Bare Necessities, You've Got a Friend in Me. Raddedigion, Gwesteon, graduands, honoured guests, congregation. Please give a warm welcome to Alu Quartet.
The Bachelor of Nursing, Adult Nursing, Dominique Fabian Allaire. Ashley Askew. Megan Ball. Christina Jane Beecham. Emily Bynon. Catherine Sean Mary Blythe. Catherine Mary Carroll. Emma Clark. Jodie Coffey. Alice Cole. Megan Elizabeth Coles. Lucy Megan Congreve. Matthew Paul Cousins. Cerys Rhiannydd Davis. Rachel Davis. Sam Thomas Davis. Victoria Louise Davis. Emma Louise Dodge. Rachel Dowding. Amy Kate Duggan. Kerrian Sean Dunn. Cara Rihanna Enright Wells. Julie Evans. Zoe Flicker. Kirsty Flower. The Dean's Prize for Notable and Outstanding Achievement, School of Care Sciences, Bachelor of Nursing, Michael Griffiths. Peter Griffiths. Astha Gurung. Benita Gurung. Sarah Jane Harvey. Charis Jade Hilberg. Selen Howells. Alice Millie Howlett. Alicia Eve Howley. Katie Hughes. Leanne Hurley. Jessica Jane. Kelly Louise John. Beth Jones. Emily Jones. Emma Jones. Kim Jones. Rebecca Kate Jones. Leah Marie Kirby. Tamara Joan Conton. Sarah Lamb. Laura Kimberly Lewis. Lucy Ling. Rachel Ann Lloyd Jones. Roshani Madden. Nadine Mavenga Mabula. Sarah Jane Meredith. Claire Monks. Katie Morgans. Laura Jane Mulready. Kelly Jane Merry. Tammy Milan. Bethan Nichols. Caitlin Bridget Noonan. Tyler Lee Oakey. Abby Marie Parfit. Rebecca Parry. Louisa Payne. Glenna Dana Pereira da Silva. Charlotte Phillips. Abigail Ray. Leah Richards. Dion Marie Roberts. Rosia Robin. Gillian Marie Roche. And Billy Sajiv. Lisa Smith. Michelle J. Smith. Nicole Shirley Sproul. Rebecca Stone. Marissa Tano Vicky. Rebecca Thomas. Louise Janine Thomsett. Lauren Victoria Tyler. Donna Lorraine Walker. Amy Ward. Matthew Christopher West. Kirsty Williams. Stephen Williams. Ross Carl Wood. Stephanie Lauren Wood. The Bachelor of Nursing Child Health, Claire Edwards. Emily Lewis. Amy Pierce. Kaylee Richards. The Bachelor of Nursing Learning Disabilities, Naomi Nadine Thickett. Suzanne Watson. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Daniel Barn. Lauren Brown. Nicola Jane Cunningham. Joanne Davis. Rachel Davis. Hilary Dyer. Paige Evans. Alex Jones. Ellie Jones. Emily Rose Lewis. Gemma Light. Darren Manuel. Brian Marling. Sarah Morgan. Lucy O'Brien. Rebecca O'Sullivan. Natalie Paul. Alana Reed. Rebecca Rich. Jessica Sarlade. Reese Shepherd. Carla Marie Sidney. Beth Hannah Sia. Laura Siggins. Amy Warren. Leanne Marie Wayman. Robel Okbagarjish Veld Iab. Jason Whipple. The Bachelor of Science in Acute and Critical Care, Mark Braddock. Ellery Kadraman. Laura Debreu. Keris Jenkins. Ruth Jenkins. Stuart Lovejoy. Sean O'Connor. Lisa O'Sullivan. The Bachelor of Science in Community Health Studies, Specialist Practitioner, General Practice Nursing, Nerys Rees. Hayley Wright. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Amy Williams. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Jacqueline Chizinga. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Rebecca Ann Lane. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Nina Hastings. The Postgraduate Diploma in Respiratory Medicine, Mazen Abdallah Rashid. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Sivipwe Kaziboni. The Postgraduate Diploma in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Shaifa Adel. The Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Ahmad Hossain. The Postgraduate Diploma in Dermatology and Clinical Practice, Rashda Nassim. The Bachelor of Science in Strength and Conditioning, Alex Pope. Vice-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Now, for all of you, this is our last ceremony of summer 2019. It's also Friday. Congratulations, well done. Go and enjoy yourselves.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and now I'm the first person to have the honour of calling you graduates. Today has contained great moments of formal academic ceremony. For all of you in the audience, it's a moment of pride, and on this platform, we've shared your pride and perhaps your tears as they've crossed the stage. They did it, however, so many of them didn't do it alone. You consoled them when they were down, you lifted them up when they tried, you guided them, and you were there for them. So graduates, you've had lots of applause as you've come across the stage. This is now your chance to say thank you to your family, friends and supporters. So can I ask you to stand and to clap with a round of applause for your supporters. Can we get the lights on the graduates? Is that possible? No, it doesn't look like it is. Thank you. Please sit down. I won't ask you to stand again. Not until the end. For all of us on stage, it really is the highlight of the university year. There are nearly 3,000 staff at this great university. They've taught, supported, counselled, encouraged, fed and watered, literally and figuratively, you as graduates, and certainly encouraged you to be able to achieve your success. As Linda's just mentioned, this is the last of 16 summer celebrations we've had to recognise the success of our students, with nearly 7,000 students graduating. And many of you who are involved with events like this will realise that there's an awful lot of people, both in front of house and behind the scenes, that either work at the university or working for the university. We wouldn't have been able to do this without them. So I wanted you to give the chance to clap and say thank you to everyone who's worked so hard to enable you to achieve your potential today and to put on these degree ceremonies. Thank you. But graduates, most of all, today is a celebration for you. Today is the moment that we, as an academic community, say that you are one of us. You share our values and that you are going next to take those values into the outside world. We know from personal experiences that the higher education this university provides is valued tremendously by your future employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is a source of justified pride. Our role as a university lies fundamentally in educating citizens who will ask constructively critical questions in public life. That means helping other people to see what critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is, and to explore great issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectations. These are the timeless values of a university itself, and we hope they are now your values as scholars and graduates of our university. Each one of you are now ambassadors for both the University of South Wales and for what we're trying to achieve. Today, you move from being our students to being our alumni. But you remain part of our university with our shared commitment to the transformation of lives through knowledge and education. We trust that your time at USW will have broadened your horizons and opened up pathways to exciting opportunities in your career, and filled you both with a spirit of inquiry and a desire for lifelong learning. We wish you good luck in your future endeavours. We rejoice in your success, and you've certainly earned it. Please do enjoy the rest of your day. Well done, good luck, and thank you. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed.
Anewch I sefyll ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. Please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.